Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the decimal problem. Today we will discuss about the fractional problem or class 6 chapter 1.6 and CQ 24 number CQ. So dear students, here is given a farmer has 250 hundreds of land and he cultivate 3 by 8 part its 3 by 8 part, cultivate rice 3 by 8 part and vegetable 5 by 12 part. The rest of land he kept uncultivated. This is the stem and there are three questions here. First question, find out the how much portion he uncultivated land or the uncultivated land টা কত portion আছে. Second question হচ্ছে if the selling price of the rice is less than that of the vegetable of taka 2400, then what is the total amount of vegetable that he sold? Third question, if you would cultivate the rice in whole portion of land, total জমিতে যদি সে if he cultivate land in the total land, then how much টাকা he would get? He have sold the how much amount of rice he have sold, সে কত টাকা সেল করতে পারবে? For reading this creative we don't understand, আমরা প্রথমত we cannot understand, আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম না, but I want to clear up it from you. Dear students, here given a farmer has 250 hundreds lands অর্থাৎ 250% জায়গা একটি ফার্মারের আছে. The farmer cultivate 8 by 12 part in vegetable 8 by 12 part rice, 5 by 12 part he cultivate 5 by 12 part in vegetable. He sold the vegetable and so that and he see that it is the more than 2400 from the selling price of rice. Rice থেকে তার vegetable price বাবদ আরো তিনি 2400 টাকা বেশি সেল করলো. কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি the question is totally wrong in our textbook. Dear student, you can say that sir, what size of the question you asked about the against the textbooks, এই textbook এর against আপনি কি বলেন? This is the right question, this is right. How can imagine করতে পারো the same amount of land, the price of vegetable and price of rice will be same. একই পরিমাণ জমিতে ধরো 100% জমির ভেজিটেবলের প্রাইস আর রাইসের প্রাইস কিন্তু সেম হবে না. এখানে যে ক্রিয়েটিভটা দিয়েছে তারা ধরে যে সেম হবে, এই কারণে দিস ইজ দ্য ক্রিয়েটিভ, the actually the question is wrong, but mathematically we can solve it. আমরা mathematically এটা সলভ করতে পারি. নাও স্টুডেন্টস কাম ইন, we solve the question number A. Find out the how much portion the uncultivated land. Uncultivated land আমরা কত portion? At first we let total part of land, whole part of land, whole part অথবা whole land equal to one part, whole land of farmer equal to one portion ধরলাম. তাহলে he cultivated rice and vegetable rice and vegetable. He cultivated rice and vegetable equal to 1 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12 part. So adding this, it will be LCM 8 and 12. What is the LCM of this? We can write that directly. There is a process. If the larger number is divisible by other number, the larger number will be LCM. But larger number is not divisible by 8. So we can take the next multiples of the larger number 12. 12 with next multiples is 24. So 24 is divisible by 8. So 24 is the LCM. So we divided by 8. We divided by 24 by 8. It becomes 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 3 is a 9. Divided by 24 by 12. It becomes 2. 2 5 is a 10. That means 19 by 20 portion. এত portion. So remaining portion, how can we write the remaining portion? The uncultivated part. You can write the uncultivated part. Uncultivated part. Portion. Uncultivated portion equal to 1 minus 19 by 24. That means it will be 24 minus 19. It become 5 by 24 portion. This is actual, this is the answer. Actual, this is the answer. Portion. The question is wanted portion. How much portion uncultivated? কত portion uncultivated রয়েছে? 5 by 24 part. But another question, our total land is given 250 hundreds. So anyone can question us, how much hundreds lands uncultivated? কত শতাংশ জায়গা uncultivated রয়েছে? So you can write is 5 by 12 of 250 hundreds. It become, if we cutting 24, it become 2, 150, 250, it become 2. So it become 625 by 12. The answer will be 52 whole 1 by 12 hundreds. অর্থাৎ 52 whole 1 by 52 whole 1 by 12 portion is 100 is uncultivated land. Next question number B. Question number B. Cultivate rice. Cultivated rice 3 by 8 and cultivated vegetable 5 by 12. Dear students, here the 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. We cannot understand which is larger and which is smaller. So to understand the larger or smaller, you can convert it equal denominator fraction. If we convert it equal denominators fraction, you can easily say which is the larger or smaller. So you can write by multiplying by 3, 8 and 12, LCM is 24. So equal denominators will be 3 into 3 by 8 into 3. It become 9 by 24 and 2, it become 10 by 24. So here 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. Here 10 by 24 is greater. So rice vegetable part is more. So vegetable part is more. vegetable part, vegetable cultivated more, কত পার্ট 10/24 minus 9/24, so it become 24. 10 minus 9, it become 1/24 portion or part, the same word. Dear students, as per question, is 1/24 part is more than cultivated part, more than rice. So a price of the 1/24 part vegetable plant is taka 2400. In the question has given যে rice vegetable is sold more 1/24 2400 is more. So as per question অনুসারে price of 1/24 part vegetable 24 by here 24 by 1 taka 2400 and price of one portion vegetable 2/24 by 1. Students, you should bear in mind, when we use 1 after the fraction, the fraction will be inverse. But when we use fraction after 1 এর পরে যদি fraction use করি, it will be multiplication, it not be change. So price of how much part he cultivate the vegetable কত part cultivate করেছে, he cultivate vegetable 5/12 part, 5/12 part, so it become 2400 into 24 into 5/12. So if we cutting, students, if we cutting 24/12, it become 2 5 are 10, 10 to the, that means taka 240000. This is the price of vegetable which is cultivate the 5/12 part. This is the solution of the question B. Question B. Students, please sit again. Cultivated rice 3/8 part and cultivated vegetable 5/12 part. We cannot understand which is more, which is smaller, or which is greater. For to determine the smaller or greater, we can convert it the equal denominators. So if we converting the equal denominators, we multiply by here 3 and it multiply by 2, it become 9/24, 10/24. That means vegetable part is more. So how much part vegetable is more? Vegetable cultivate more is 10/24 minus 9/24. That means it will be 1/24 part. 1/24 part is more cultivated than the vegetable than the rice. So as per question অনুসারে এই যে 1/24 part, price of 1/24 part of vegetable is taka 2400. It has been said in the question number B. Question number B তে এটা বলে দেওয়া আছে যে রাইসটা ভেজিটেবলটা 2400 টাকা বেশি সেল করা হয়েছে। আর আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করে দেখলাম যে 1/24 part is cultivated more than the rice. For that's why we can say that as per question question অনুসারে we can write the price of 1/24 part vegetable equal to 2400 তাহলে 1 part of vegetable 2400 into 24/1 and 5 by the vegetable is cultivated 5/12 part, so 5/12 part it will be multiply. So if we cutting the 24 and 12 it become 2 5 the 10 into 2400 it become 24,000, which is the price of vegetable the farmer has been sold. Okay, our next question number C. Dear students, now the students we will solve the question number C. Here the given, if he cultivate rice the whole part of the land, যদি তার whole জমিতে if he cultivate the rice, how much টাকা he has been sold, তাহলে কত টাকা সে সেল করতো? Price of vegetable 2400, but in the question have given যে vegetable has sold 2400 টাকা more, that means the price of rice টাকা 2400 minus 2400 equal to টাকা 21,600. Students, 21,600 টাকা he sold the rice. So how much part he has cultivate the rice কত পাটে সে কাল্টিভেট করেছে? 3/8 portion-এ 3/8 portion he cultivate the rice, that means 3/8 portion, the price of 3/8 portion of land, 8/8 portion rice of land টাকা 21,600. So here the question, if he cultivate the total part of land, that means one portion. If the price of one portion, that means whole portion, if he cultivate the rice in whole portion, তাহলে 3/8 portion, the price of the 3/8 portion of rice of land is টাকা 20,600. So price of one portion, that means whole portion of rice টাকা 24,600 into 21,600 into 8 it will be inverse by 3. So if we cutting the by 3 the 21,600 it become 7200, that means it become 56,700, maybe 56,700. if we 0 0 8 to the 16, 7 8 the 56, 7 8 the 56 and carrying 1 57, or 57,600, sorry 57,600. This is the price of rice. Answer, this is the answer. The students, it has been, we have solved the question number creative number 24, the chapter 1.6 of the class 6 English version. Please see it 2 or 3 times, you can easily understand. It is very difficult for your level, but you can concentrate mind. If you concentrate mind to see this 2 or more times, then you can easily understand. Thank you. Thanks all. Assalamu